Welcome everyone. Welcome to International English Guru, where dreams come true. Please meet our star of the day, Lay, who has broken our records for a first timer. She's got an amazing score. Lay, I'll give you the privilege to talk about your score. What have you scored?
Okay, so my overall score is 78, and the highest that I got is from my speaking test, which is 90, and listening, which is 80. So I'm very happy with that. I mean, more than happy with that.
Now, that reminds me, someone was telling me you guys prepared me too hard. How does it feel to get extra points now?
I think what we were doing during the lecture is harder than what the actual exam that I experienced. So, yeah. So it wasn't a surprise. I think I had to actually scale down a little bit when I did the test. The exam that was given is just not that hard.
Let me tell you that for sure, because that's our whole ideology. We try to train you harder. And we do it with all the students. We always try to give you at least 10 points extra preparation so that if the exam is tough, you still end up clearing it. You're in Canberra, right? And you did all the lessons online. What was your experience with online lessons and with online training?
Well, I'm a busy person, so I work full-time, 9 to 10 hours a day. So it's ideal for me that at night I'm able to access the online courses with no pressure, that I know exactly my plan approaching the examination date, but I have the flexibility of when I will view it. So I think that helps me, because if I'm on a regular class and then I have to skip work, it's not gonna work for me.
True.
So I think this is fantastic.
What was your experience with the training you received from Miss Christie?
She's very good with her follow-ups. Like if there are some major flaws from my performances, then she will give me the feedback straight away. I know exactly where I am very weak, and so I know what to prepare. It's not the length of time, because to be honest, I had barely 2 weeks of doing this, probably 12 hours. But the thing is, it's not the amount of time, it's how smart I prepare.
Right.
So I don't have to keep, repeating all the, examples. I just know the major factor of getting the points.
Right.
So I think smart preparation works for me.
Perfect. So let's say someone else who's doing an online course, what advice would you like to give to such a student? How would he be able to perform better doing the training online?
I initially did the mock test, so you know exactly where I need to work on. So I think with the lectures, they actually sent me most of the emphasis on those things that I'm actually very weak at. So it's more of customized. So I think what Christy did is to let me know, look, you need to work on your reading. So I think you have to go back and do this one.
Which saved you time and helped you clear it first shot.
So another thing that I find is that if I don't understand anything from the lecture, I can actually scroll back and do it again. Where in fact, when you're in a live lecture, you cannot raise your hand, and ask your teacher to repeat everything, because everyone got it except you. So it's not really convenient for them. So I think with this one, I can, go back in my free time and say, look, I don't understand this part, so I want to hear it again. So I think that's one of the bonus. Yeah.
Thank you so much for saving time for us. And we
Thank you.
luck for your future life. Thank you, dear.
Yes,